What if ChatGPT could handle your longest, most complex conversations without forgetting anything important? Most people think you need a subscription just to stop the AI from losing track halfway through, but in this video, I'm going to be showing you a completely free way to unlock 1,000,000 tokens of context. In order to enable 1,000,000 tokens for ChatGPT, we need to use those same models that you use every day through another app called Codex, which is still made by OpenAI. Think of it this way, the same brain, but a bigger workspace and greater capabilities. And the specific model that you want to use is GPT 5.4 for the setup to work, unless you're using ChatGPT through an API key. I'll even show you how to configure Codex for those who use ChatGPT for everyday tasks instead of coding later in the video. The first thing that you're going to want to do is open up your favorite web browser. I'm going to be using Google Chrome, and I already have it open, but you can use Safari or Firefox if you want. Make a new tab, type in Codex download, go to Codex desktop app, and click download for macOS, or if you're on Windows, you would click download for Windows. Once you've downloaded Codex, click the Codex button down here, or if you're on a Mac, you would do Command Spacebar Codex, and you'd open up this way. And if you're on Windows, you would open it up through the Start menu. Then you'll be greeted with this window, but actually you won't be. You'll probably have to sign in with your ChatGPT account. But once you do, go to Settings, then go to Configuration, then go to Open config.toml. Once you click that button, a Finder window will open up, and you'll just click config.toml. But once you click the blue bar right here, it'll probably say recommended applications or all applications. Just select an application from one of the recommended applications. Once you've done that, paste this configuration code from the description box below. You'll notice that I changed GPT 5.5 to GPT 5.4, and then a couple extra parameters were added, the context window one and the compaction token limit one. Two of these are configurable. So for this first one, model auto compact token limit, you can change this from 256 just to like 512 if you want. So basically what this does is that it summarizes everything from what you just talked about, keeps that small summary in its context and nothing else. And this is the token limit for when that compaction happens. It has to say like under 1,000,000. Usually it should be 256. It becomes very expensive whenever you do anything over 256. Then for personality, you can change this from pragmatic to friendly if you want to. In my experience, I would keep it as pragmatic because if you change it to friendly, it becomes very agreeable. But once you've set up all the settings for the config.toml, close it, then click save, then go back to Codex, close the Codex desktop app, then open it back up. If we go to this do anything chat bar, you type in, "Hi, ChatGPT, what is your name? My name is Scripted Ocean." Let's see what it says. It says, "My name is ChatGPT. Nice to meet you, Scripted Ocean." Then if we click this I button right here, it says 29,000 tokens out of 950,000 used. The reason why it doesn't say 1,000,000 is because 50,000 of those tokens had to be diverted to output tokens. You can go to Settings, and click Settings again, and you'll see under Work Mode, choose how much technical detail Codex shows. Instead of for coding, you would click for everyday work if you don't do coding. But if you do coding, then keep it on for coding.